Chapter 5, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Greenland is the largest island in the world that is not a continent. It is a self-governing province of Denmark. इसकी कैपिटल है नूक. इसे पहले गौतम कहते थे. The first European who visited Greenland was an explorer called Eric the Red. Climate, Arctic Circle pass होता है through the southern part of Greenland. Most of the Greenland lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. This region has a very cold climate. The region is also known as Tundra region. ग्रीनलैंड का 80% एरिया आइस कवर्ड रहता है. ह्यूज पीस ऑफ आइस frequently breaks off and floats in the sea. इन्हें icebergs कहते हैं, which possess a very great danger to the ships in the sea. The southwestern coast of the Greenland is the warmest part of the country. Most of the people live here. Vegetation and wildlife. आइस कवर्ड एरिया होने की वजह से यहाँ वेजिटेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. पोलर बियर, रेनडियर, मस्क, ऑक्स, wolf, arctic fox and seal, these are the common animals that are found in Greenland. Several varieties of fishes and seabirds are also found here. People, the Inuit, were the original inhabitants of Greenland. They are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals found in this region. The skin and the fur of the animals are used to make clothes. Fat को as a fuel use किया जाता था. Earlier they used bows and harpoons to hunt, लेकिन अब वो guns use करते हैं. In the past the Inuit were nomadic, that is they used to roam around throughout the year to hunt. They used sledges pulled by the dogs for transport. They used boats called kayaks for fishing in the sea. While roaming around, the Inuit used to live in the temporary house which are made up of blocks of ice. इन्हें igloos कहते हैं. Most Inuits are now leading a settled life. वो villages में और towns में रहते हैं on the sea coast. वो hunting पे जाते हैं for several days. They have fast motorized sledges for transport now. They use motorboats for fishing. The people wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. They wear jackets with hoods lined with fur, जिन्हें parrots कहते हैं. Long boots made of seal skin keep their feet warm in the snow. Today, Greenland has a mixed population consisting mostly of Inuit and Europeans. इसकी टोटल पॉपुलेशन 56,000 से भी कम है, जो कि इंडिया के एक लार्ज टाउन की पॉपुलेशन से भी ज़्यादा कम है. हंटिंग और फिशिंग यहाँ पे मेन ऑक्यूपेशंस हैं. एग्रीकल्चर एंड इंडस्ट्री. फिश प्रोसेसिंग इज़ द मेजर इंडस्ट्री इन ग्रीनलैंड. Sheep are raised in small numbers in the southwestern coast. A very small proportion of land is the southland. Southwest is suitable for agriculture and some vegetables such as potatoes are grown. Thank you.